Want to stop relying on generic dev kits and build your own custom ESP32 boards? Curious how to design a board that fits your exact project needs down to the last resistor? Hey, I'm Ashraf, and I've helped thousands of students and engineers build smarter, cleaner hardware solutions. With years of hands-on experience in PCB design and custom microcontroller builds, I'm here to help you do the same. This course is your ultimate guide to mastering custom ESP32 boards, step by step. Inside, we'll start with the module approach to simplify your first build. You'll learn how to design schematics in KiCad layout and route your PCB like a pro, and manufacture your board using PCBWay. You'll also get hands-on experience assembling with tools like PineSeal and solder paste. Flash it with Arduino IDE and even demo with a Waveshare LCD. Everything from USB-C connectors to flashing your first custom board, fully covered. By the end, you won't just understand how ESP32 S3 and C3 boards work. You'll have built your own, tailored to your needs. You'll save space, cut costs, and boost performance for projects like IoT devices, custom wearables, or smart home gadgets. Plus, no more one-size-fits-all boards. This is your design, your build, your success. Ready to take control of your hardware? Click the link below to enroll now and start building your custom ESP32 boards today. Let's turn your ideas into reality, one board at a time.